Hey, quick question. Have you ever opened one of those shiny AI tools thinking, this is going to be fun? And then, a few minutes later, you're just staring at the screen like, wait, what do I click? Why does this feel more confusing than it should be? Yeah, I've been there too. That's exactly why I made this video, to walk you through Runway AI step by step. No tech speak, no overwhelm. Just real simple guidance, like a friend sitting next to you, showing you what to do. Oh, and if this is your first time here, welcome to NextGen AI Lab. This channel's all about making powerful AI tools simple, fun, and actually useful for real people. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. All right, before we do anything cool, let's get you into the website. So just open up your browser. And in the address bar, type this in, runwayml.com. That's runwayml.com. Once the page loads, hit that big Get Start button at the top right. If you already have a Google account, you can just sign in with one click, super fast. And boom, you're in. Welcome to the Runway dashboard. Now don't let all the buttons scare you. We're going to take it slow. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and you'll be generating your first AI video in just a minute. All right, once you're inside Runway, things might look a little busy at first, but don't worry. You're mostly going to use just two things: generate image, generate videos. Let's start with images. Click Generate Image, and you'll see a chat box pop up. Think of this like texting an AI artist. You just type what you want to see. For example, let's go with something fun. A dog wearing sunglasses sitting at a beach cafe during sunset. Yeah, why not? Before you hit generate, you can tweak a few settings. Aspect ratio, like 3:4 or 16:9, depending on your needs. Number of images to export at a time. Image quality, go ahead and set it to 1080p. And how many images you want. For now, let's just do one. Then hit generate, and bam, you've got a unicorn cruising in style. First, make sure you're in video mode, not image. Then click Select Asset and upload the photo you want to animate. I'm using this one, a dog chilling at a beach cafe. Total vacation vibes. Now in the prompt box, just describe what you want the video to do. Something simple like, the dog lifts its head slightly and the ocean waves move behind it. No need to overthink it, just write what you'd see in a short film. Then choose your settings. Length. Start with 5 seconds. Aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Hit generate and give it a moment. In under 2 minutes, your still image becomes a cinematic clip. With motion, lighting, camera moves. It's pretty wild what AI can do. You don't need to be an expert to start creating with AI. Just a little curiosity and the right guide. If that sounds like you, hit subscribe. I've got more coming your way.